you listen very closely, you might be able to hear the ocean in the back. That's because I am at the beach. So today we are in La Union. We actually got here yesterday, like in the afternoon time. Yesterday wasn't too much of an eventful day, but we went to a restaurant called Capsat. It's pretty nice, pretty chill vibe, like nice atmosphere. If you're looking for like a nice little restaurant where you can chill and like catch some nice sunset views, definitely Capsat's the place to be. They have a nice little lounge area outside on the beach. But yeah, so it is a weekday, so like it's not too eventful just yet. I heard it really turns up during the weekend, so we're gonna stay until I don't know when, and we're gonna find out just how turning it can get. So far it's been pretty chill, pretty relaxed, so it seems like a little bit more of a touristy area. Doesn't seem like there's too much to do, but it's very beautiful out here, so we're gonna see what happens. Have y'all been in La Union? If so, like what is there to do out here? Like what do you guys recommend? What do you suggest? Maybe I'll try surfing for the one time. I did take surfing lessons in Bali. I'm not good at all, so y'all gonna see me fall like a million times. Hey, what's up? So today's actually a new day. I didn't really do much yesterday because it was raining, it was storming the whole day. But hey, I just wanna say, yo, we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, bro. Y'all don't know how much it means to me, bro. It's so crazy that there's 1,000 people out there that really wanna watch my content. But hey, I really do appreciate it. I'm just gonna keep making better and better videos for you guys. I did say I was gonna do a 1K sub special. It's gonna be a crazy one, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a special one, so make sure y'all tune in for that. Coming soon. The restaurants and stuff out here are kind of more on the expensive side. I don't wanna say expensive, but definitely more expensive than I would expect for the Philippines. There is one restaurant, it's called Tagpuan. I think it's one of the more cheaper restaurants in this area, but I heard some mixed reviews about it, so we're gonna check that out today. I'm not gonna lie, I walked by this before and didn't even realize what it was. So this is what we got today. This is the Paris or Paris, I don't know how you pronounce it. This meal was like $2.30, so that was like what? $3 some change. I would say that's pretty normal price, but they did say it was big bowl, and that does not look like a big bowl to me, but we're gonna try and see how it is. So far you guys have not missed with the food suggestions. Whoever told me to try the bulalu, bro, that joint's fire, so we're gonna see. Hey, I'm not no food reviewer, bro, but that was fire. It's like a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna put the camera away, keep eating, and then we're gonna continue on with the rest of the day. Not too many people out here on the beach. Like normally the more popular beaches are super crowded, but as you can see, there's literally like, yeah, not too many people on the beach. Pretty much everywhere you look on the beach, you got surfing schools, you got surfboard rentals. You say you don't need school.
So when you're a master surfer like me, you don't need school, bro. You just need the board, get straight to it, bro.
Hey, he says he's a master surfer. You about to find out. I, for one, no, I'm not a good surfer at all. I've only ever tried one time, and I wasn't very good. I can barely even swim, so it's gonna be a surf / trying to drown challenge.
Hey, I'm losing all my aura points carrying around this fat board, bro. This is not the surfboard I should be using, but hey, you're gonna see how it goes.
Okay. Okay.
What is that?
Yo. Okay. Okay, hold on, you might be, nah. What was going on out there, bro?
Master surfer like me, you don't need school, bro. I need the professional board, bro. This show like 30 pounds, this is not it. So now it's time for Josh to get some surf stuff. I already know he's about to go crazy. Even though he doesn't know how to swim. Who knows how to swim in the ocean, bro? You're good, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, he did a lot better than what I thought he was gonna do, even though he only caught like one solid wave. I'm not about to catch any.
A wave is a wave.
A wave is a wave, that's true.
Just wait for the professional board, I'm gonna go crazier, I promise. Oh, I think Josh about to get one.
Nope.
Damn, Josh almost had it.
So as you can see, surfing is difficult. I caught one good wave, but I don't know if that counts because on my knees.
You carry that heavy board all the way over here just to say that, bro.
Yep.
Exerting all that energy, all those precious electrolytes.
I got all the electrolytes I need out there, bro.
Oh, I think you got one? Nah. You about to get a lesson.
Right.
From Hayes, not from me.
You ever lie down on belly on the board? You want to say it first? Bro, so I did take lessons like last year, and that's what they told me, but you know, I thought I'd be good enough to just go straight into it, but I'm not, so I think you gotta do the haste method.
You gotta paddle, 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 stand up, like push up, and then bring your leg forward, your left leg. She said do it swiftly. Nah, it's definitely the other leg, not that leg. So these are the instructors right here. They're watching Josh do instructions with no instructors. He's probably like, what the hell's going on? Nah, why's your foot all the way? This man put it. So Hayes, this is on you. We gonna see how your treading abilities are. I'm putting this all on you, Hayes. Okay, Josh. Damn. That's the one. Oh, he got that one. Oh yeah, nope. Damn, he had it, bro.
I don't know what was going on, bro. Cause even last time I tried surfing, I had at least catch one, bro. But it was like, as soon as I would just go to lean up, I would just be falling over. So y'all just see me try to catch some waves, bro. Obviously I did not do too hot. Hey, I tried, bro. I really tried. I really did try. But I think my surfing skills kind of wore off over the years. So Chris is moving over to the pro board. We're gonna see how things go. See if it's any easier. We about to find out though.
This board is like light now. Now, bro, the last board was like 40 pounds. This is like 15 pounds. So hopefully that makes a difference. You're gonna find out.
Okay. Okay, yo, this man did a front flip. Bro, nah, that was crazy. The second front flip of the day.
Surfing is mad hard, bro. I can't lie. Just wait for the professional board. I'm gonna go crazier. I promise. I had like 3 barrels. I had 2 20-second surfs. This man Josh is not recording, bro. This man Josh did me so dirty, bro. I'm done until next year, bro.
Next year's crazy.
Like, nah, I'll try again, but I'm cooked, bro. I'm so tired.
I mean, it was a solid attempt, but overall, I give you a 3 out of 10. The front flip was tough, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Still added points?
Yeah.
So no flip, I would've got a 2.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Hey, respect to all the surfers out there, because y'all make this look easy. It is not easy at all. I don't know how y'all surf the whole day, bro. After 1 hour, I'm cooked. I wanted to go to bed, but hey, the night is still young. We came here for one thing and one thing only, to drink liquor and go to the club.
Nah, bro.
It's like, nah, but the night is still young. We still got more stuff to do, so go and get some eats.
As you can see, the sun is setting. So that's gonna be it for this little beach day. Hey, I can't surf, bro. I cannot surf. Let me know in the comments, do you know how to surf? I'm sure y'all know how to surf way better than I can. But we gonna come back to Chicago. We're gonna do something, bro. I gotta get my get backs. Cause that was not an acceptable run. But that's gonna be it for surfing. First couple of days in La Union, bro. How do I rate it, bro? I don't know. It's been lit and fun in some parts, but it's been kind of dry and dead on the others. But we are in the middle of a typhoon, so that's probably the cause of some of it. But overall, La Union is pretty tough. Again, bro, thank you guys so much for 1K. Thank you. Damn. Niggas trying to take my head off.
Hey, be some skilled followers over here, man. Don't worry, bro.
Thank you so much for 1K, bro. From the bottom of my heart, bro. I do really appreciate it. Special is gonna go so crazy, and I can't wait to hit 10K, 50K, 100K. From the bottom of my heart, bro. Thank you so much. It's only up from here, so catch you on the next vlog. So peace out.